Hey guys, Alicia here. I know I said in my last video that my next video would be on how to make and sell digital textured papers on Etsy. But before I do that, I want to show you this really neat tool that I found on iPicky.com. And it's how to create watercolor strokes. So it's just a simple tool that I wanted to show you that you might just need with something that you're designing. Before we get into this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit that bell notification so that you do not miss out on any future videos that I will be uploading. If you've been following my channel, it is all about passive income and how to make a passive income, showing you the fundamentals that you need in order to start your own online business. Okay, so the first thing that I did before I even started doing this is I went to create a design and I made a plain white template to start with. Now on that template you can make it any color that you want to, and you can make it any size that you want to. But I just made a plain template, basically YouTube thumbnail size, because I'll probably use this as my YouTube thumbnail. Okay, so I'm going to go to my photo library and I'm going to click on to edit this plain white template. Okay, so we need to go over here to the Painter tool. And right here we have all these tools. We have all the brushes, the brush, the pen, all kinds of different tools that we can use, but we want to use the brush tool. The next thing we need to do is we need to select the brush that we are going to use. And watercolors seem to be very popular right now. So they are just beautiful. You can do so many things, and I'm just showing you how to use the tool. So right here, the first thing we need to do is we need to select our opacity. And I'm going to take that down to about 50%. And we need to select our brush. Okay, so I like this number 50 right here. Just don't get that confused because there are other 50s here, but these are different brushes. So I'm going to use the 50. At this point, it shows you what your watercolor stroke is going to look like in black. You can also select the diameter of your brush, and right here where it says scatter, I like to take this to about maybe just 5%. Okay. The next thing we need to do, now that we have selected our brush and our opacity, I'm going to click out of these little things over here. They're blocking my template. And we have our brush here. So now we need to select our color. Okay, so I think I'm just going to start out with this light pink. And just to make the brush stroke, we're just going to go straight across. And then you can even do a double layer. Okay, another thing that you can do if you wanted to, you can actually mix and match these colors. So you could change your opacity if you wanted to, and you could add like a darker or lighter pink or add some white in there if you wanted to. So for the sole purposes of this video, I'm just going to keep them a solid color. I'm just showing you how to use the tool. So I'm going to select another color. And the same thing, we're just going to go right across. And you can also, like, if you don't like the darkness or the lightness, you can go back over it a little bit, or you can go back in and change your opacity. Okay, and I'll show you one more color. I mean, you can pick any color you want here on the spectrum. And once again, you just kind of start and you go straight across. And these are how you make brush strokes. There's also so many other things you can do. You can even make the watercolor blobs with them. You can get as creative as you want with this. I just love digital design. Okay, so that is how you do that and how you make watercolor brush strokes. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Also, again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit that bell notification so that you don't miss out on any future videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope everyone has a wonderful day.